In this video, we'll learn about global warming. So what do we mean by global warming? It is somewhat like a warning which is globally. So it is sort of global warming. What happened before industrial revolution? All climatic changes occurred naturally as very few gases were there because of the less factories, because of the less number of human activity. As the human activity kept is keep on increasing, what is the effect? The effect is simply due to through rapid industrialization, demands of fast increasing population, deforestation, and excessive burning of fossil fuels that has altered the composition of the atmosphere. Initially, when there were very few gases released into the atmosphere, no as such climatic changes occurred. But right now, there are many gases which are being released by human activities. The excess burning of fossil fuels has released huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which can't be removed by plants, by photosynthesis, and oceans by dissolving. Therefore, concentration of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is constantly increasing and increasing and then increasing. Since the beginning of industrial revolution, the atmospheric concentration of carbon dioxide has increased nearly 30%. So this is the increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide, and even methane concentration is increased by more than 10 or sorry more than 100%, which is more than doubled, and that of nitrous oxide by 15%. So the concentration of the other greenhouse gases is also increasing. The increase in concentration of greenhouse gases has resulted in increase in the temperature of the atmosphere. So the Earth's overall temperature is gradually increasing. This slow and gradual increase in temperature of the atmosphere due to increase in concentration of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is called as global warming. Now let's have a look on the relative contribution of greenhouse gases to global warming. Carbon dioxide's contribution is maximum, which is 50%, then methane 18%, chlorofluorocarbons, which is CFCs 14%, then ozone 12%, nitrogen dioxide 6%, and then finally water vapor 2%. In the last century, the environment temperature has risen by over 1%. Accelerated warming of atmosphere has been taking place over the last 2 decades. A report by British Met Office has predicted that global temperature may be hotter by 4 degrees Celsius by mid 2050s. Now, what are the harmful effects of the global warming? As we know that the temperature is kept on increasing and increasing, then what is going to happen? Obviously, the process of melting will become faster. The process of evaporation will be faster. So, same thing happening, that rise in sea level, because the global temperature is kept on increasing, is keep on increasing. So, it started melting the polar caps, glaciers, and icebergs, releasing enormous amount of water into seas and oceans. The level of seas is likely to increase by several inches during this century. This will lead to vast coastal flooding and submerging of low-lying coastal areas. This will convert freshwater habitats and ecosystems into saltwater areas, endangering vegetation, crops, and animals. Then the second effect is going to be evaporation of water will take place at a faster rate, resulting in an increase in average global rainfall. Tropical rains and hurricanes will be more frequent, resulting in frequent flooding, causing human misery and devastation. Then, warmer climate and higher humidity will reduce work efficiency of human beings. Then, soil moisture is likely to drop due to global warming. Again, moisture is what? It is simply water vapor, and due to high temperature, it will get evaporated, causing decrease in crop production, resulting in hunger and famine. Then, changes in food and water supplies will also affect the human health. Then finally, changes in ocean temperature will adversely affect the marine life. The fishes living in the ocean will get affected a lot. The disproportionate warming in the Arctic region has detrimental effect on many Arctic species, including gulls, penguins, foxes, and polar bears. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.